Tell us about your journey as a dancer to preparation for the song. How did you do it?
So I think most of y'all will not know this, but I have something in common with Shahid sir as well. I was also an instructor with Shamak Davar for around 7 to 8 years, and I have danced with his company. I've been a background dancer. I have done my bit, and Vijay sir was also with me while I was growing up at Shamak Davar. So he choreographing this song is actually something which is just it baffles me, because मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था, that we'll get to perform this song with Vijay choreographing the old hook step. And yeah, so as a dancer, it's a dream come true. And I hope I've done justice to Shahid sir and the song and everyone else. Yeah.
What is the pride and pressure of having Roshan in your surname?
Thank you. The pride is just, it's the legacy that my family holds. It's the work they've done. I'm so proud of all of them. And the pride and the luck is that I have their support and their advice. But the pressure is to live up to that. To live up to their advice, to live up to their work, to make a place for myself in this industry like they have, in the hearts of the audience. And that's a pressure. Yeah.
जैसे आपने बोला कि जो उनकी एडवाइस रही हैं उनको आप आगे ले जाना चाहते हो, तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्या एडवाइस मिली, इफ़ आई कैन आस्क फ्रॉम ऋतिक या राकेश जी से आपको?
जी, उनसे मुझे सिर्फ एडवाइस ही नहीं, उनकी मेंटरशिप भी मिली है. व्हाट ही ट्राइज टू टेल मी ऑल द टाइम इज़ दैट कि आप जो काम कर रहे हो उसमें आप ऑथेंटिसिटी लाओ, अपना 100% दो. एंड if you do these two things, I think you're set. So this is his advice always. This is the main advice that he keeps on giving me again and again. And I really hope मैं उनकी advice पे खरी उतरी हूँ. I really hope.